Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find working coupon codes for Walmart app. So make sure you watch till the very end because I'm going to tell you a bunch of websites. The first one is LA Times. You can just head over to Google and search LA Times Walmart coupon codes and you'll see this will come up. So if you click on their view coupon, it will ask that they send you via email. So you just need to put your email in. The next one is wired.com, so you need to search for wired or Walmart promo codes and you'll find all of these here. The third one is Groupon. Now Groupon is pretty famous, so you can use Groupon too. And the next one is Time Magazine, so you can just search for time.com/coupons/Walmart and this will come up. The next one is washingtonpost.com/coupons/Walmart and you'll see all of these coupons. Last but not the least, we have simplycodes.com/store/walmart.com and you can see that they have coupons and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this and I'll see you guys in the next one.